around the corn. See it growing. You're gonna find one. Just try to be careful where you step. And then here, you're gonna have to take pruners. And it's gonna drop on the ground, but I'd like to hold one with one hand and just clip the base, but not through the stalk. Okay. Let me see. I just cut up to the stalk, but I didn't actually cut the stalk. And then where'd my corn go? Fell on the ground. Pick it up. And that's step one. It's beautiful. This is called Silver Queen, and it is a hybridized corn from the south, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm peeling off the top right in the field because sometimes there will be worms, but this kind of corn I've had the best success with ever. So I highly recommend it. It's growing in this bed with squash. You can see this baby squash here. I don't know if it'll ripen in time. And it is also growing with beans, and you're probably wondering, why are the beans like dead? They're not dead. They just need to be harvested because they're dry beans. So when we open this up, you'll find black dried beans. I won't do it now because I don't want to lose them. But these beans are this type. These are actually on the Trail of Tears, brought by the Cherokee people, and they grew them up the corn stalks, as you can see. That's what I practice here as well. Up here, the beans are growing up the corn, and it is a variety meant to be grown with corn because it doesn't actually hold on to the corn very tightly. It doesn't strangle it. It just grows in friendship, in companionship with the corn, and that's why the Cherokee people grew that variety, because this technique of growing corn, beans, and squash is known as a Three Sisters planting method. There is a legend, a folk tale that was told to teach people within the tribe how to do this. So stories also served as scientific knowledge as a way to convey that. So that's step one, and I will show you the next step once I get in my kitchen.